Hello guys. Welcome to Whatvwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you top HEIC Online Converter Tools. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. Number 1. Apowersoft HEIC Converter. Apowersoft HEIC Converter is a free tool that brings you better experience in conversion. You can use this converter completely without installing any software. It also supports batch conversion, which is the best time-saving solution. You can convert up to 30 photos at a time. The uploaded files are completely safe and are deleted once the conversion was completed. Features of Apowersoft HEIC Converter: fast, free, and easy to operate. No loss in quality. Batch convert HEIC files at a time. Files are automatically deleted after the completion of conversion. Number 2. Cloudconvert. Cloudconvert is one of the amazing online software to convert HEIC files to most regular formats. It supports all audio, video, documents, images, spreadsheets, and many more. You can use this tool without downloading any software. Among many other formats, it supports PNG, JPG, WebP, and HEIC. You can manage the output quality before converting and the metadata. Features of Cloudconvert: easy to use. Reduces file size up to 50%. High-quality conversions. Powerful API. Secures your data. Number 3. Free tool online. This is another online tool helps you to convert HEIC to other popular formats like JPG and PDF. It supports batch conversions up to 500 files at a time. All you need to do is just drag and drop the files. The converted files will be available in the form of zip folder. Features of free tools online: drag and drop process. Supports up to 200 files at a time. Uses AI to maintain the high quality. Faster conversions. Number 4. HEIC to JPG. HEIC to JPG is another online tool that converts your HEIC files easily, powered by the JPEG Mini. You can convert your HEIC files to common formats without losing any quality. Using this online tool, you can convert only 5 photos. If you want to convert more files at a time, it's better to get JPEG Mini. Features of HEIC to JPG: very handy to use. Upload maximum of 5 files at a time. Converts without damaging the quality. Number 5. HEIC. HEIC is the online tool to convert Mac or iOS images to the widely used JPEG or PNG format without losing any quality. It is very simple to use. You can set the output quality, resolution, size, cropping, compression, and many other. You can also manage the metadata of the images. You keep or remove that metadata according to your need. It supports batch conversion. You can convert up to 100 images at once. Features of HEIC: easy to handle. Batch conversion is possible. Converts without decreasing the quality. Allows to remove metadata of the images. Number 6. Online Convert. Online Convert is a free and secure online conversion media. It allows to convert HEIC files or images into JPG and PNG formats. You can maintain the output quality, resolution, cropping, size, color, compressor, enhance, many more before the conversion. You can also upload the files from Google Drive, Dropbox, or with the help of a URL. Features of Online Convert: easy to use. Allows to set the quality. Allows to upload from cloud storages. You can modify the size, color filter, DPI, etc. Number 7. iMobie HEIC Converter. iMobie HEIC Converter is the most powerful and reliable tool when it comes to batch conversion of HEIC files. It supports the most common formats like JPG, JPEG, PNG, and GIF. You can also set the output quality of the image or file. It preserves the metadata of the images. It is completely free of cost. You can also download the offline version on both Windows and Mac. Features of iMobie HEIC Converter: 100% free to use. Batch conversion is possible. You are allowed to set the output quality. Also available in Windows and Mac applications. Number 8. Free Convert. Free Convert is another tool that allows you to convert HEIC files into widely used formats. It is very simple to use. Drag and drop the file on the site and click on Convert. Your file will be converted into JPEG or JPG or PNG format within the blink of an eye with high quality. You can also resize or compress the output image by selecting their respective options. Features of Free Convert: drag and drop to import. Allows to resize, compress, and much more. Faster conversion. Completely free to use. No quality loss. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.